guys, so today I got my slime. So it has like these little things on it. Don't know what it's called. You see? It's kind of dark. So let's put this light on. So this is the slime I got from my friend from school. She got it from her house secretly. She gave it me, and it has like this little blue jacket. But I don't really want it in. But my friend gave it me like that. Slap. So I think I should do some slime dares. No, not really bad ones. Like put it in your hair like I already did for my friend. So did you just see the bubble? So why don't we get started? So wait. Okay. First one is gonna be put it in on my t-shirt like it's already there. But this my sister's t-shirt, she's gonna get angry. So let's just do it. No. You put it on my t-shirt. I don't like it. I don't like that. So most of my slime went on the t-shirt just because I did this YouTube channel. But still good. So now we're going to second dare. And you comment down below which dare should I do it next. So next dare, probably eat it. I would not want to do that, but I lick it. Really disgusting. So got it. I just get in a teeny piece. Maybe like this tiny. Okay, I can't do it, right? Yeah, that's cold. Yeah, tastes like glue, but I'm not eating it. That's just not me to die. So next one, which one should I do? I don't want to waste this one, so maybe unsubscribe anyway. So let's have put it in my belly. No. What about slime there? Put it in my group. Put it on my favorite. Put my favorite squishy in there. In my school bag is my favorite squishy, but I guess I put it in my school bag. Okay, so it's just got slime. That's sad because it has slime already in it. Oh, I like farted. Guys, I could have not done this. Where's my squishy? But that's one day. Just doing it for you guys. Sad. Cost a lot of money for my Pokemon. Oh, I could have done this. Silly me. Naughty me. I'm the worst one. Okay. So this is what have happened to my best squishy ever. No, I still love this squishy. Good, that's the yellow. Why don't I? I'm just gonna sort this out to get it off a bit. It's getting worse. This is just so sad. What have I done with this school? So comment down below should I ever do this again. Maybe. See about my worst squishies. Next one should be. I don't want to do it anymore. I don't want to. Bubble contest. Alright. Bubble contest. What? What the? Okay, the biggest bubble I can make. Nothing. I did make a bubble before. With this. I'm sad for my squishy. I'm keep putting it in. So guys, if you see I'm scratching it off. So this is weird. Okay, so let's do the next thing. Bubble. Let's make a bubble. Okay, ready? Oh, there's a little baby bubble. Baby bubble, I love you. Okay. Whoa, wait. I like it. I know which one is going to be the second one, so let me do the bubble. Okay, that was nothing. I completely ate this one. This is what I wanted. Okay, that was a bubble. That just broke quick there. Finally. My sock! Okay, sorry guys about that. The slime is getting it too sticky. I think I should end this video. Should I or not? Oh my god. So annoying. Okay, never do it again. Sock, t-shirt, squishy, lick it. Alright, let's do the last one. The best noise. Okay, that one's easy. That's the last one. Just to make it easy. Calm. I'm not ready. I'm gonna. I cannot find what try that one because I don't really want to make it better. Okay. This is the only slime. I had the best slime I ever had actually. Go make it bubble with this. Let me. Oh, my floor! Nice! I'm so unlucky today. Sorry, guys. Okay, and then I use that, and this is alright, just doing random. This is gonna be the best crunch. I'll try. Okay. I think I'll do the last bubble. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. So sticky. The best I like from the slime is the poking. The noises. It's so good. Now, I'll just show you what's inside it. So, like I said, it's like these words like M, F and stuff. What else did it have? Blue tack? And maybe, yeah, there's some more stuff in there. Don't know what it's called. What? The sticks in here. Look, stick from something. But still good. Okay, next. So, they hit my different slime. I made it and it's so jiggly, and I put these white balls, some of them. I'm gonna put some of this slime in this slime. I'm just getting this much. Doesn't really stretch. I'm sad for your slime, Elka. So, by the way, my name's Amelka. You can see it's just like, it's gonna be like more bigger. It's kind of more stickier. Okay, so I think I should end this video, but first of all, put in the hardest. It's kind of sticky. Ready? Oh my god, it's so sticky, I can't do it. I'm scared. I took it. Oh. No. No, you must squish it. Oh my god. This is a mess of all. This is one of the worst YouTubes I ever made. What can you in? First one. My Musical.ly account is Savage Nicola. It used to be my sister's account, that's why. It's named weird. But in 30 days I can change this, so yeah. I was for you guys like come to me. So I'm not ending this video until I wash this off. But I'm gonna. Oh, I put it back in there. No point. I'm gonna take the most I can take out. Did I just rip the squishy? It's gonna be like a brown squishy. No, this is so sad. I have less slime, guys. I could have not did this, but it was already on it, and then that's just like it there. It's just weird. So yeah. Yeah, grandfather. Just drink here. So, oh, that's cool. Look at it. That is so slimy. But I don't know if that was so or not. So yeah. Anyway, bye guys, and don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up before I make another video. Okay, so let's just try one thing. How did I take this out? Because it's sticky. Just to show you, it was sticky in a pot. So, it's in sticking. I like that. I was starting to do this with a spoon. Ew. And then, like, it was getting out. And then, yeah. So now it's not sticky. We could make another video a bit later on with my sister, maybe. Actually no, I don't want to. So maybe somehow make another video. So yeah, and so I hope you subscribe. I'm a noob on YouTube. Exactly, I'm the worst. No one will like me. No one will subscribe. But I hope so. I hope I take my phone to school. Yeah, and that'll be cool. And then some all my friends. So bye, and like you all, and have a fun time. And comment. Do you have slime? And if you have slime, what color is it? Or what type of slime? Like fluffy, crunchy, iceberg. So bye.